This is a big wall. What's good, everyone? We're out here at Future Magic Brewery. I've signed on to this mural and I'm super excited. We've gotten here and it is a massive wall. I'm going to spin the camera around in a second so you can have a look at the wall. I just want to show you what we're working with, and I'm going to pop a design up on the screen in a second so you can see the approved artwork that we're going to put up there. If you've watched my channel before, you'd understand how obsessed I am with Norse mythology. So I'm very excited to get this one underway. We're going to do a couple of stages on this one. First stage is going to be a pencil outline on the wall using the Mural Maker app. But after we get our pencil lines on, then we're going to come through and do nice big painted white lines. I wanted a very similar style of what I did in my studio at home. Took a couple of days to design this piece, really wanted to figure out exactly what I wanted to do, but I'm very excited to get this underway here today. The line work is more than likely going to take me across 2 different days.
Better make it 3.
We are battling with metal fabrication and a bunch of different things which might need a scissor lift because it is quite high off the ground. So without further ado, I think we swing the camera around, have a look at the wall and jump straight into the time lapse.
This is going to be special.
It may take a while.
I'll do my best.
Let's have some fun.
Let's get to work.
Day 1. Day 1. Day 1. Day 1.
Day 2. Day 2. Day 2. Day 2. Day 2.
Day 3, back on site here at Future Magic Brewing Co. Getting very excited. We're getting closer to finishing this piece off. Today is paint day. Very excited. Going to be using some really cool paint pens for this. When I work with these line work murals like we're doing for this piece, I like to use paint pens as much as possible. I think it's a really effective, quick way to get lines and paint on the wall and to keep true to the original design that I had in mind. For this, I'm going to be using a few different size Posca markers as well as a Liquitex marker. These markers are worth their weight in gold, so let's jump in, have a look at this mural today, get some paint on the wall, and we'll go from there. Here we are, the final but the most important part of this whole process. We are getting paint on the wall, so excited. We've got white going on right here with Thor, and then I'm going to jump in a minute and do this bit of a lighter grey for the background elements, just to create a little bit of depth. The lightning is coming in really nice as well. And then moving over to Odin, we've got a lot of details in that helmet as well as the beard. As you can see here, I really wanted that to pop out as well. Of course, like every piece of art, we have to get our signature down the bottom so everyone knows who did it. And this was an absolute blast to do. It turned out so well in the end. It was a massive project, but I think it's about time we have a look at the reveal.
It was worth the wait.